Hello there, Sebastian. Good to see you.
Hi guys.
New background,
Yeah, new background. Yeah.
your new place.
Yeah,
You
new
have Tor's
place.
hammer there?
Yeah, I do.
Awesome.
Yeah, new place. Yeah. Was two 2 weeks like full of building furnitures and everything. But it is nice. We're super happy.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
A vacation of getting settled.
Yeah, yeah. I wish I had more vacation though, because this wasn't that relaxing. Uh,
Right.
But yeah, yeah. First day, when is that? Yeah, first day is like National Day in France. So yeah, I'll be off on first day.
On
Maybe
Thursday.
Friday too. Yeah, maybe Friday too. We'll see. It depends on. I guess
Yeah.
it depends on where we are.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll be off on Thursday and Friday this week, actually. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right. Well, I know Sebastian Wagner is out today or this week or so. Um, so we can go ahead and get started. There's the agenda in the chat. Welcome to the Orchestrators Team Weekly Meeting. Um, On the agenda here, I guess we'll get started with a few things going on that I've added for Rook. Um, the OSDs on PVs, it's ready for merge any second now. I think the CI is going to complete, and then I'll hit the merge button. That's a big change. So this and with Mons and OSDs on PVs now, you can really have your whole environment with backed by PVs. Then a question came up last week by Sebastian how we expose this from the dashboard, because users need to select things around, well, what storage class should I use, or do I want to use the old way of doing things? It's on Wednesday, this Wednesday, we're going to try and um, discuss that topic and how the dashboard might expose this. So that time doesn't work for me, my time zone, but the guys that created this feature in Bangalore will plan on attending that meeting and
That
discuss that
Wednesday,
there.
Wednesday. That
Wednesday. What did you say?
I I I was looking at the PR and didn't quite catch the date. Where are they going to be discussing this?
So there's the weekly orchestrator meeting that's on Wednesdays. That's
Oh, okay.
APAC
Yeah.
friendly. Yeah, that one. Yep. So just in question on how we want to expose it in the dashboard. Next thing, the CSI driver is enabled by default by Rook now. I'm not sure that we need to worry about that much for as far as orchestration. FYI. The next thing I've got is CRD validation, final review. Actually, had this pending for a while, so it's my bad for not reviewing sooner. There's a question around, well, the CI was giving an error around nullable. All right, and then minimum Ceph version. There, I'm still tracking down a CI issue. Sebastian, you may remember this since before you left. It's just,
Which one?
anyway, I have a few more clues about it, but we'll have this done soon. I added something to that PR, which will collect the operator log after every individual test instead of only at the end of the test suite. Got that working this morning, so That should give me idea what's happening. All right, next thing I have is events reporting. So Paul Kusner opened up this PR around reporting events to Kubernetes. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. Is anybody else taking a peek at it? Yeah, neither Paul or Sebastian here. They're the most knowledgeable on it. Okay, we'll save it for another day. Those are the things on my mind to bring up today. Other things that people want to bring up? Otherwise, this may be a quick meeting.
Just a quick question around persistent volume, cloud backing, PR. So I haven't really looked at the PR yet, or maybe not the updated version, but do we have coverage in the CI of this? Did
So
tested by the CI?
so this there's not. So we're going to do that as a separate item because
Mm-hmm.
there's kind of a question. Well, if the CI is going to run it, we know it's running in AWS today, and we could create or use the GP2 storage class for that. But then if somebody wants to run the test locally, they're not going to have GP2 in their local storage cluster. So I think there's an open question about what's really how we really do this the right way in the CI, since it'll be depend on your environment, and maybe we can just detect it automatically. Either look for local storage or GP2 storage class, something to that effect.
Because I guess the CI should be testing both. We can test both at the same time, right? Or is it? Oh no, I don't think it's supported. It's either local or cloud. That you can't really mix anything.
Oh, as far as we can actually do both. You can do the old way of doing things to pick up your raw devices, or you can create the PVs. Either way, it's supposed to work at least at the same time. I haven't tested it myself, but
Okay, but I guess it's a special case for the CI only. In real life, that's not going to be possible.
oh, that's true. Or are you saying if we find GP2 storage class, go ahead and use it, and if not, just skip it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that might be simple enough. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Next priority is to get integration tests in place for that. Okay. Other questions around orchestration? Right. Yeah, going once, going twice. Blaine or Michael or Noah?
Nothing here.
Ready? Okay, we'll call it then.
Have a good day.
Have a
Bye-bye.
good day. Yep. See ya.
Yeah.